Hello guys, welcome back once again. This is part 5 of our chat application using WCF and WPF, WCF TCP duplex. But we from this bit here, we just continue straight from where we left off. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, and we just go ahead and get on straight away. So the next bit, we're going to add a button. So this button, the name will be login button. So the button, the content will be login, and the width will be 100. Just gonna make the background a little bit nice, so we're gonna make it green, and the color or the foreground, if we got one, we're gonna make it white, and horizontal alignment right, and we add the margin. We will put 0, 10, 25, 0, and it should align perfectly. Nice one. So the next bit, this is what we will do. We're gonna put the click event, say login button clicked event. So we're going to create it automatically at the code behind, and this is where we come next. So after all that we've been doing, this is where we get to. So we get going then. So first bit, of course, is we're gonna say if the username, or we could just say if it's not string, dot is null or empty, username dot test. So if that's the case, that means we've got something to work with. So we're gonna say user. We just get it from here. So as you can see here, we're actually adding the username. We're gonna remove it, and we come to the user. We go into the user definition, and here we just chuck in a constructor, and here we can say user ID is equal to GUID dot new GUID dot to string dot split, and we take the fourth for some reason. So now we're done here. We can save it. Then we come back to where we are. So user, and we get the new instance of our user. So we're gonna add actually time created. Okay, we're just gonna add the time created here. It doesn't matter. You can get your own done properly. And we're gonna add the name as the username dot test. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple stuff. So the next bit, of course, is we will actually go inside the main window, and here this is what we will do. We will add a property here that will be main, and we call it main view. So that's what we would do here, and we just come back to where we were. So here, this is what we're gonna do. We say window dot main is equal to new main, and this is what we'll do. We let the main take the window and the user. So here we're going to add a signature. Generate a constructor in the main. Oh, we can just go to the main.cs. And here, as you can see, we've got it generated. So we could just make this window just a normal bit here. So we come back to the login, and this error should go away. Just a second. So here, this is what we do. We're just gonna put the construct. We're gonna put it here. And we're gonna put this bit here after the initialized components, and we remove this bit. So I think our error should go away. Login. Okay, so I need to check some. Okay, so that's the problem. This is what I'm looking for. I'm actually looking for main view, not main. That's why I was getting the error. So the new main. So now we can put the window and the user. So the error should go away. So we come back to where we were. So here, now this is what we do. We're gonna say variable URI is equal to. So we come inside the service, and we copy the URI here. So we put in the URI. So the next bit, of course, it will be our variable. This will be our callback. This will be new okay, so we're gonna have a new instance contest. So I'm just gonna reference it. System.service model. So here we're gonna say new message service callback. And then got our variable binding. This will be a new net TCP binding, and we put security mode to none. Then we've got our variable. This will be our channel, and this will be new duplex channel factory. So I message service, put our callback inside here, and our binding. So the next bit, of course, is our endpoint. So we've got a variable endpoint, and this will be new endpoint address, and we pass in our URI. So this is what we've got. We've got a variable proxy. This will be our channel dot create channel. So we pass in our endpoints. So we check if our proxy is not empty. So if it's not empty, this is what we're going to do. We're going to say proxy dot connect. So we pass the user, or we could just use the no propagation. Whatever the case, it's still the same. So as you can see, it's very simple stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it here, and we just jump on the next bit here. We'll just go on straight until we get it done. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do, because I got lots of things coming through. Have a lovely day, night, morning, wherever you are. Peace.